Hi guys, it's Kaya Trimner. I'll be reading for you Hiccup with Funny Friends by Looney Tunes. So yeah. Hic, 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 hic. Oh no. Baby Celester has the hiccups. I know what to do for those, Baby Tweety says. Sylvester is going to need a really big glass of water, says Baby Tweety, hurrying over to the sink. Stand on one foot and drink it all up. That's the only way to get rid of those nasty hiccups. Hic, 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 hic. Baby Sylvester still has the hiccups. I saw in this book, says Baby Bugs. All he has to do is take 5 deep breaths into a brown paper bag. Phew, says Baby Sylvester. I think, hic, that did it. Hic, hic. Nope, says Baby Tweety. That didn't work at all. I know, says Baby Daffy. It's time to try my feather duster tickler trick. Say goodbye to those hiccups, Sylvester. Bye-bye, Hiccups, says Baby Sylvester. Hic, hic. Maybe what he needs is a breath of fresh air, says Baby Bugs. Let's take Sylvester to the park. Baby Sylvester hiccups all the way there. The first thing Sylvester should do is hang upside down on the jungle gym, says Baby Daffy. That usually works for my hiccups. Do you think it's working, says Baby Sylvester. Hic, hic. Let's try to slide, says Baby Bugs. Maybe the wind will blow the hiccups away. You go first, Sylvester. Gosh, cries Baby Sylvester. This is hic, hic fun. We've tried everything, says Baby Daffy. I give up. Well, says Baby Tweety, whispering to Baby Taz's ear, I have one more idea. Suddenly, Baby Taz pops out of the bushes with a great big roar that should scare the hiccups right out of him, says Baby Bugs. Gee, says Baby Tweety, I don't hear any hiccuping. It worked, says Baby Daffy. I wouldn't be so sure about that, says Baby Bugs. Listen, does anybody know a cure for snoring? asks Baby Tweety. The end. So yeah, that was Hiccup with Funny Friends, Baby Looney Tunes. Let me know what you think.